Do you have a website and do you want to increase your visits? Stay in this video, because in this video you will learn how important it is to have a website as a driver. Hello everyone and welcome to Vinyi's channel. Today we will learn how important it is to have a website and why do you need one as a driver. Well, first, if you don't have a website, there is 7 reasons why you need a website. A website makes you more discoverable. That means that there is a place that people will find the information that you decide to give. It will be all the information, well selected, and it's a place that anyone can join at any time. A website opens up new possibilities. That means that you never know who will find a website, and you never know what can happen in the future thanks to your website, because you have, as we said before, more visibility. You can save on your marketing budget. That means that you don't have to spend a lot of money on marketing, because many of the actions will be done for the website, and you will also use those actions from the website to use it for the social media and so on. A website makes it easy to recruit new sponsors. There is always easier that if there is a brand and wants to contact you, you can have the page of contact, and that you can allow anyone to contact you. So it gives you plenty of new opportunities. Also, you will have a sponsorship page inside the website. So that means that anyone can see your sponsorship proposal, and that's a lot of work done easily. So that gives us to the 5 points. You can make money. So that gives us to the second important reason, that you can make extra money for your racing. The website gives you that visibility that anyone can help you at any time. So take that in mind. Also, website gives you credibility. What I mean is that if you have a website, you as a driver, it's better that don't have it, because you reflect that you have a project. You have something to give to anyone. You are saying, I'm here racing because I want to achieve something. If you don't have any website and you only have the social media, and that social media is not managed professionally, people or potential sponsors see that you really are not looking for something. What I mean is really pursuing the dream of getting into Formula 1 or IndyCar or NASCAR or whatever, becoming a professional race driver. And you are in control over your online presence. As we said, all the information that you put in the website will be official. So that official information is key for anyone, and you will own the information. No one will talk about you over officially. Official information is the one that you will get. That's really important, especially when you go to Formula 4 and you don't have any social media and people start talking about you. In that moment, it's very key to have a website, because you will show everyone what is the real information and what you want them to tell about you. So now that you know how important it is to have a website as a motorsport driver, team, manufacturer or racing brand, now let's go to how to create a website if you don't have a website. Well, the first thing I want to say is that I do websites for motorsport related people, especially drivers and teams. There are some examples in the description below, so you can check out and you can decide if you want me to make your motorsport website. If you decide me to do your website, then comment below. I will get in contact with you, or just send me an email in the link in the description. But maybe your budget is not enough for a professional motorsport website, which will give you more results. Well, there is plenty of platforms online. I will not tell all the platforms, because there are platforms that I don't like at all, which is Wix. I don't recommend Wix at all. But if you are creating a website I recommend you to go for WordPress. One day we will explain more about WordPress, but today, now you know that. If you want to start and you don't have any money at all, go to WordPress and check out how to make a website for you and very cheap. So the question now is, okay, I have a website. How I increase my visitors? How I make the website popular? Well, there are a few tips that I can say you, and we will do it right now. Well, you can first advertise. It's something that many people do. You can use Google Ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. You can use that, but if you don't know how it works, don't worry about that. In the upcoming weeks we will make a video talking about that. But it's an option. That really gives you a lot of new visits. Also, get social. That means put the website everywhere and use every page of the website as a social media. Put it in the post, put it on Instagram, even if there is no link there, put it everywhere and get everyone know that there is your website there. Also, I give you a special tip. Make a blog in the website, a personal blog, not a blog done by the webmaster. If you make your blog like race in, I don't know, Toronto, so I write about the race in Toronto, my view, my point of view. So that gives you a very unique way to make that post be promoted by the other drivers first, and also this is a free promotion of you, because you're saying everyone, that's my point of view, it's not my press release, it's my point of view. So that's why it's important, and drivers that are competing against you will read that, or will comment about that, and will share that to the other rivals. So that's a pretty interesting way to make more visits and get more traffic in your website. Also, these blogs can be done with SEO performance. SEO is search engine optimization. We will talk about that in the future, but now just get the concept. You're doing your blog also in the website, so you can make guest blogs. That means that you can go to other websites and tell them, can I put my blog there? You can go to specialized motorsport websites or karting websites and ask them. It's an option, very interesting, and will give you plenty of free promotion. You can be the guest in another website, but you can also tell the other drivers to write in your website. Wait, but Vinyi, come on, it's my website, not others' website. Yes, but if the others don't have a website, you can help them, because at the end it's them who are helping you, because if they write their blog there, the visits are for you, and Google will put you more on the top of the list of search engines or whatever you're looking for in motorsports. So that's free content for you and more visits for you. So that's a very, very interesting way to get more traffic. You can also have more traffic in your website doing posts in the LinkedIn, doing email marketing, and much more things you can do. But we will not go into details here. If you want more information about that, just let me know. If you want your website and you want me and my company, Formula Rapida Network, to do all the process for you and for a very good price, and including all the features, just click below in the link in the description. That's it from me. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and if you want more information about marketing for motorsports, let me know in the comments. See ya!